Changing the position of each pin at each keyframe worked, but you probably found the process to be slow and tedious. Instead of manually animating keyframes, you can use the Puppet Sketch tool to drag the pins into position in real time. Experiment with this method of animation as you recreate the pincer's movement using the Puppet Sketch tool. Choose File, Save As, and Save As, and name the project motionsketch.aep. And save it to the Lesson 8 Finished Project folder. Move the current time indicator to 127. And in the timeline panel, select the crab.psd layer and press the U key to display all the keyframes for the layer. Scroll down to the left pincer and right pincer pins. Drag to select all keyframes for those pins after 208 and then delete the keyframes. The animation for the other pins remains, but you've removed the keyframes that animate the pincers. Depending on where you place starch pins, the pincers may move slightly in response to other pins' movements. Select the Puppet Position Pin tool in the Tools panel. In the Timeline panel, select Puppet to see the pins in the Composition panel if they're not already visible. Select the left pincer pin in the Composition panel. And press Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac to activate the Puppet Sketch tool. A clock icon appears next to the pointer. Continue hold down Ctrl or Command as you drag the left pincer pin into different positions for the length of the video. Release the mouse button when you've finished, and the current time indicator will return to 127. Press Command or Ctrl again and drag the right pincer pin into different positions. Use the outline of the crab and the other pincer's movements to guide you. And then release the mouse button to stop recording. Preview the final animation. You've used the Puppet tools to create a realistic, engaging animation. Remember that you can use the Puppet tools to deform and manipulate many kinds of objects.